Welcome to our new family channel on our very first episode of our everyday normal life on the Oregon coast. This weekend, you'll tag along for some fun and some work and some chores before the rain starts rolling in. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to subscribe to see future videos like this. Although this is just the typical day-to-day life for us, you'll be sure to be entertained as we also recreate here on the coast and in the Pacific Northwest in general. I usually like to read something positive or helpful before we leave for the day. It just really sets the tone for me, and here I am reading Joyce Meyer's What About Me? In the journey to live a more selfless life. And usually I don't sit here long with an empty lap, as you can see. It never fails. If I'm looking like a cozy place, then they will come. And now there's two. I'll give them a few moments before I have to jump up and leave. We've lived here for 5 years now, and I still can't believe every day when I drive to work that this is my view on my commute. This beautiful commute can still come with its challenges though. If there's an accident on Highway 101 blocking both lanes, then you have to take an alternate route to get just to the other side, and that can set you back an hour. You can see here they're working on the bridge where the sidewalk completely collapsed right there. I'll tell you what though, it can be a little dangerous working in Cannon Beach with all of these wonderful restaurants and shopping around. One must have some very strong willpower not to go indulge every single day on pizza. There's an ice cream shop right here. This is all just around the corner from my office. Cute boutiques and plenty of other distractions. And here's my office. Now I better get to work. Yes, I'm a real estate broker with RE/MAX Coastal Advantage. And if you've ever dreamed of living on the Oregon coast, or simply have a question, feel free to drop a comment. Having a little lunch with the view. We got a little Cannon Beach bun down there. And we have seagulls and pelicans congregating together. Oh, look at that wind. Poor guys. They're like ready to leave. Actually, they are going to be leaving, the pelicans. And they won't be back until next summer. Winter's here. Now I'm headed out, and it is Friday. Every weekend is a little different for us. Being a real estate broker, I may have some last-minute appointments. This weekend it's going to be rainy, and luckily the events we're scheduled to go to are indoors.
want? Blue raspberry. Blue. Okay. Bro! Oh, at least we got some. Which flavor do you want? Blue raspberry. Blue. Okay.
What, do you want to do something crazy now? Be like, ah.
I'll do this. I love it. Need more cats. Yes.
Time to get my hands dirty now. This was after I was done. All grass stained, and yeah, time to get my nails done. So the fun's over. Wait, who said yard work wasn't fun? And the weather is getting colder. I've got some plants that I've got to put away. Deck is looking a little bit crappy, so I'm gonna have to do this before the rain comes in. You sleeping next to your dish? He's like, okay, leave me alone. Man, finished everything outside just in time. Finished everything outside just in time. Look at that. Ugh. Thank you again for watching our very first family episode, and please subscribe to catch more videos of our exciting life and our everyday normal life on the Oregon coast. Take care.